And I said, technology is neither good nor bad. It is an amplifier. It is the machine. It's like fire, and fire can be used to burn somebody or to cook a delicious steak. I'm sorry if you're a vegetarian or anyone who doesn't want to eat meat. That's the analogy I like to use. And he said, yeah, it's like fire, man. Fire is like neither good nor bad. Technology is like fire. All the tools are fire. All the social networks are like fire. And I said, yes, that's exactly it. And thus most people make the mistake thinking digital marketing is about technology and programming and tools. It's amplifying what you already have. If you're brand new in real estate crowdfunding and you don't have a network, you don't have a history of deals that you don't have people who vouch for you, then you're going to find that digital marketing didn't work. It was a scam. I tried digital marketing, it didn't work. If you're successful already and you're applying these techniques, you're sharing your knowledge, you're using advertising to amplify it out there for $1 a day. You have a virtual assistant who is out there pushing your content out there because you don't have time to post all this stuff and be on the social networks. That's for children, right? Someone else is just, they're the postal worker, if you will, right? You're buying the stamp, but you're paying for the distribution too. Then you're going to say, wow, this is amazing. I'm getting more deals. I'm getting better partners. The banks like me more. I'm getting to speak at conferences. My brand is growing. This is, so-and-so is introducing me to so-and-so. I keep getting more and more referrals. This is working really, really well. So you hear people that have completely disjoint experiences. So the question is, why is it that these people are having a great experience with digital marketing, saying it's building their brand and all that, and then these people are like, yeah, I tried it and it didn't work. It was a waste of time. Why is it? It's because their starting point, what they're putting into the machine is flawed, and or they're not using the machine properly. So the machine doesn't hate. The machine isn't a discriminator. It doesn't hate black people or favor people. I think the machine is the machine. If we take the ingredients of who we are, content and targeting, our knowledge and deal flow and our relationships, those little, and 1 minute videos, by the way, that's the ingredient. So we feed the machine 1 minute videos of combinations of what we know and who our relationships are, usually just edifying other people. If you just literally just edify other people, then they're more likely to see it, they share it builds your network. Now you've created inception. It's like when this podcast episodes go out, when it goes out, I'm going to take that link and I'm going to share it and tell everybody it was such an honor to be with Adam Gower and to be able to teach other people in real estate investing how to use digital marketing the right way when they understand that the machine is here to amplify what you have and how do we use the machine the right way. I'll share that. I'm edifying you so that my audience knows who you are. And in my audience, there are real estate developers among all the other people in my network. Then you share this and you say, hey, if you're in a national real estate, developer forum, then this is something that you need to hear from my buddy, Dennis Yu. Now you're edifying me and we bring that connection together. Is that going to drive direct deals? Probably not. But it certainly creates inception because now people in my network who otherwise wouldn't know who you are, they realize that we have a relationship and vice versa. Then our information is more trusted. And that first touch creates an initial level of awareness, which makes it easier to progress further.